Yo, YouTube, what is going on? So I've decided to create a brand new tutorial for you guys, showing you how to get free Shein points. And this method is super simple, guys. It's going to give you a redeemable code that's going to provide you with 10,000 free Shein points. And it takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Everyone can do this. You just need a mobile phone with an internet connection and follow the instructions that I'm going to show you here in this video. So you can see, guys, I'm using an iPhone and I've opened up the internet. Doesn't matter which mobile phone you have. You've just got to go to the following website, guys. www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, guys. This is a brand new coupon code website that I discovered a few weeks ago. And they have tons of different pages on here. I was just browsing through seeing, hey, what can I make a tutorial out of? And I discovered these Shein codes. So you just need to basically find the Shein gift card codes and coupons page. There is a search bar at the top. It's usually one of the most popular coupons as well. But on this page, guys, there's going to be a few different options that you can choose, ranging from promo codes to, of course, gift card codes. In this case, we're looking at the bottom code here that says 10,000 free Shein points. Now, this is a very unique code because when redeemed in the Shein app or website, it's going to add 10,000 points to your account. So go ahead and click on Show Coupon. Now, these coupon codes are limited, guys. So don't come on this website thinking, hey, I'm going to get 1 million points. You can only get 10,000 free points. So you need to unlock your code. And this process takes a few minutes. So go ahead and tap Unlock Code. Now, I'm not going to run through the full process, guys, because like I said, it does take about 5 to 10 minutes, and I don't want this video to be too long. But you're going to see this screen here that says Unlock Your Code, and there is going to be a set of instructions. Long story short, guys, you need to just complete 2 tasks that you see on this screen, and this will basically verify you're not a robot. And basically just click on the task, and there will be a set of instructions, and you need to follow them. So this one, for example, is a survey. It says answer the questions and fill in some details. They also have like mobile games on here. This one says download and complete level 9. So basically you just choose 2 of them, guys, click on continue, and it will take you, for example, in this case, the App Store, where you download the game and follow the instructions. So anyway, guys, once you've done that and completed 2 of them, you will basically be able to see this code revealed. Obviously, I just skipped that step, but yeah, just make sure you follow the instructions, guys, and that's going to get you the Shein code for 10,000 free points. So head on over to robotcoupons.com, guys, and just search for the Shein page, and that is how you can get free Shein points. Enjoy, and any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Smash the like button if you got your free Shein points, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.